Today I finished my welding table. It's come a little bit with a belly in the middle, but it will be okay for my production. The first or bottom shelf I made out of a plywood. So right now I want to do aluminum tray, and this is a model of aluminum tray. What I will do for first shelf. I do have a piece of junk aluminum. Out of from, I will be doing this what will go inside. I will show close up. Okay, this is a level on a top deck. This is a bottom. The bottom is made out of a plywood and out of the wood. The legs itself I made out of L channels, but it was too weak and I decide to enforce it with 2x4 wooden pieces. And surely I mount shoes made out of bicycle tires and socks made out of duct tape. I'm already ready for a first cut of aluminum. And to get hold a piece of aluminum on my table, I use magnets. A very strong sticker magnets. I show you one. Not good sticker, but I found 3 stickers out of a junk. I took out these magnets and it worked perfectly well. The most important with aluminum cutting, you have to get your blade out of a shoe pad just a little bit over your material thickness. So you see how much I have blade out of my shoe pad. Oh, time to remove these magnets. Really strong. Right. Another side comes through. Maybe I show this side close up. Okay, now you see how much I have blade out. Okay, done. Now I have 2 pieces, which I have to connect all together. And what I see, there is some little bends. And in that way, it will get connected. But one piece bent it up, another piece bent it down. So a very good side of the piece I have to straighten up. Straighten up, get easy. engineering. One side is done, almost flat. Need to fix the other side. My table is too wide to do that bend. So I'm doing that bend down. And once again, magnets help, really. You see how magnets hold? Almost done. Don't place magnet completely with the metal. You will have problem removing it. So I usually put, okay, that's what I mean, on the edge. You have nice cat, Chieftain. Okay, I'm done with the bottom deck. With the bottom pry. Magnets are screwed. Can't remove it from here. Have to take it out from the edge. Okay, magnet demonstration. And where from magnets coming? Magnets come from speakers. So wherever you find a piece of junk, use it. Okay, it's already after sunset and time to go home, as I said. 1, 2, 3, I know. Heavy, but I know how to balance. Thanks for watching.